Technological advancement is fundamentally reshaping economic structures and value creation mechanisms. Traditional models based on scarcity, physical labor, and geographic proximity are giving way to new frameworks based on network effects, data abundance, and algorithmic optimization. The digital economy demonstrates this transformation. Companies like Google, Amazon, and Facebook create enormous value not through physical production, but through data processing, network orchestration, and attention capture. These businesses scale differently than traditional industries, often displaying winner-take-all dynamics that concentrate wealth and power. Automation threatens to displace large categories of human labor while creating new forms of work. However, the nature of this displacement differs from previous technological transitions. While the Industrial Revolution primarily automated physical labor, current technologies target cognitive tasks previously considered uniquely human. This creates both opportunities for human augmentation and challenges for employment and income distribution. The rise of artificial intelligence particularly challenges traditional economic models. As AI systems become capable of performing increasingly sophisticated tasks, the marginal cost of cognitive labor approaches zero in many domains. This could create unprecedented abundance in some areas while generating unemployment and inequality in others. New economic frameworks are emerging to address these challenges. Concepts like universal basic income, data dividends, and stakeholder capitalism reflect attempts to distribute the benefits of technological progress more broadly. Decentralized technologies like blockchain enable new forms of economic organization that bypass traditional intermediaries.